Hey guys, today I'd like to talk to you about our Superior Engineering Outback Tourer. This is a 79 series Land Cruiser, 4-inch kit in this. It needs to be done pre-registration, so I'll run through what's in this actual kit. So basically it comes with 35-inch tyres, 4-inch lift. You've got a GVM upgrade that goes 3.624 tonne, depending on what we decide and what yourself decides that you want. You've got wide track diff and you've got a chrome moly diff in it. So in the actual kit, starting from the front to the back, we'll run through. So you've got the Superior Engineering 4340 and 4140 tie rod and drag link. So both those are patented designs. They've got ITS technology in the tie rod. In the drag link, they've got a patented end that goes on top, it's a male threaded bar, female threaded tie rod end. So world's strongest tie rod and drag link out there. You've got your adjustable panhard rod. That's got ITS technology as well. Bump stop extensions, we've got sway bar extensions. This kit can be optioned with either Superior Engineering 2.0s. We'll shortly have the 2.5 compression rebound adjustables. The 2.0s are compression adjustable, or we can also do King's 2.5 adjustable as well. The kit also comes, you've got an option of Superflex, Hyperflex, or just standard radius arms. So this is the only kit available again that's got those options. Hyperflex and Superflex are for more flex in the actual truck. So if you want to set your truck up at say a 3600 GVM, a little bit lighter than the big kit, and you want some flex in the front end, we can put that option in there as well. Doesn't matter, it can be done on a 4-tonne if you want, but most guys that do a 4-tonne GVM are just going to be only carrying weight. They're not going to go out there so much worried about wheeling and wheel travel. Going down to the back down here, we've got greasable fixed pins. There's a couple of options of leaf springs that we can put in this depending on the GVM you've chosen. Wheels and tyres, so they've got to be correctly rated for this kit. In the back you've got your chrome moly track widened housing. So this is the strongest housing on the market. There's nothing that comes close to this. So we run a 13.5mm chrome moly tube, or your chrome moly diamond housing, all that. It accepts locked or unlocked centres. You've got this one here's got your King's 2.5s in this particular one. You've got U-bolt plates underneath, high clearance, so that'll allow more clearance underneath your wheel, underneath your springs. So they're made out of Biz 80. This thing comes in, you've got your shackles on the back, greasable shackles as well. You've got your RCV axles that go in the middle. So they're lifetime warranty against braking. They're made custom from RCV in the USA just purely for us. 4340 drive plates on it. Not standard in the kit, but we can supply you with a Browns Davies long range fuel tank if that's what you want. Have a talk to the guys at work if you're interested in this kit. It is pre-rego. Currently we can't do it for post-registration, but we are very shortly able to do some of the states throughout Australia post-registration. Have a talk to the guys if you're interested. We can fit the whole vehicle out if you want. We can either supply you something like this, or we can supply you a completely kitted out vehicle with the interior done, the exterior done, tray, all that sort of stuff. Now we've also got an option for a coil spring version of this as well. Jump on our website and have a look. If you want a big GVM and you want a big lift and you want to just heaps of wheeling and that sort of stuff, wheel articulation, everything like that, or you just want just comfort, go for the coil conversion kit if that's what interests you. But both kits can be seen online at superiorengineering.com.au.